Okay, so today, guys, we are going to be, getting the chicken egg in Animal Company. So, grab this. And the things that I use to, get the egg in, Animal Company is my hook shot and a crowbar. So I'm gonna carefully go here. Is the chicken just not even guarding its egg? Or did they move the egg? Yeah, no, they moved the egg. Okay, so I'm gonna have to distract the chicken. Okay. Now I go to the wall. Come on, get the egg, get the egg. Okay, so I just go here. I just go back. So, we got the egg. And, let's see how much money it gives us. Okay, so let's see how much money it gives us. And then that'll be the end of today's video. And 419 bolts. That's nice. Well, bye guys.